In this video, we'll show you how to clean your binoculars. The best way to keep them clean is to use the protective caps as often as possible and to store your binoculars properly. To clean your binoculars, you need squeeze bulb, lens pen, lens cleaner and a microfiber cloth. First, we need to remove any sand or dust. For this, you use the squeeze bulb. Make sure you point the lenses downward and just squeeze some air onto the lenses. Next, you'll use the lens pen and just gently remove the dust and sand from your lenses. Next, you grab your microfiber cloth and spray some cleaning fluid on it. And you gently wipe the lenses clean with the cloth. Check whether you think it's clean, and if you're not happy yet, go ahead and just repeat these steps. And of course, you can also do this with the lenses on the other side of your binoculars. These were the steps you need to take to clean your binoculars. You can do this at home, but of course you can also take this small kit with you in the field. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.